How to admit people into the meeting from the lobby. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the simple and easy steps on how you can admit any person who is waiting in the lobby into your meeting. So if you have been told by someone that they are waiting out in the lobby and would like you to admit them in the meeting and you have no clue how to do this, then I'm here to solve this particular problem. So let's say you see an interface like this and someone tells you that they are already in the lobby waiting to be admitted. So all you will need to do is simply follow these steps. First, go to this people button right here at the top. And once you go to the people, you can see this participants option now here. And within the participants, you will see two sections. The first one is in this meeting. So these are all of the people that are already in the meeting, and that above section that is waiting in lobby, and also the count of people that are waiting in lobby. So as you can see, this is this random guy here who is waiting in the lobby, and you have the options to either admit them or to decline their entry. So in order to admit the particular person who is waiting in the lobby, you will need to click onto this tick mark icon, and the moment you will do so, you can see this says admitting, and after a while you can see that they have been successfully entered into the meeting. So that's how easily you can admit someone into your team's meeting from the lobby. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.